If you're looking for a Bluehost coupon code so you can get Bluehost hosting at a discount so you can begin in creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with a Bluehost discount to save you money. The Bluehost coupon code discount will get you up to 63% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. To get your Bluehost coupon code discount of up to 63% off, click the link below in the description. The Bluehost discount offer is automatically applied. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the Bluehost homepage. You'll see you can get Bluehost hosting for as low as $2.95 a month instead of paying $7.99, and you'll get a free domain name. You'll see the Get Started button. Click the button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Select Your Plan page. You will see 4 different plans to choose from: a Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. The Basic plan is a good plan for most getting started and is good if you're only going to have one website. The Plus plan, you can have unlimited websites, so that is a good plan if you have more than one website. The Choice Plus plan comes with unlimited websites as well and has some additional add-ons that are included, such as Domain Privacy and CodeGuard Basic, which backups your site and allows you to restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button. The Pro plan I recommend once your site revenue and traffic grows. Choose the plan you would like to start out with so you can get your Bluehost hosting discount. You'll now be on the Bluehost domain page where you can choose your free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name, you can choose it later by selecting the I'll create my domain later option. You can then choose your free domain name in your Bluehost dashboard at a later date when you are ready. If you want to use a domain name that you already own, then type in the Use a Domain I Own field. Next, you want to enter your account information. Once you do that, under Package Extras, under Account Plan, you can select the term you want to go with for your Bluehost hosting. Next, choose the Bluehost Package Extras you'd like and fill out your information. That is all there is to it to get your Bluehost coupon discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Bluehost discount coupon code offer. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.